We've currently got a huge situation in the UK where another eminent doctor, Dr. Claire Craig, a pathologist, and the Heart Group, scientists have all been cancelled for their questioning of the narrative around COVID and the vaccines. She's been campaigning for the government to release anonymised record level data in the UK, which has already been passed to Big Pharma, by the way. So Moderna and Pfizer and AstraZeneca have had this information, and she's asked for it to be obviously anonymised so you can't trace it back to the actual individuals concerned, of doses, dates, and deaths, so that we can settle once and for all whether there's a link between the COVID vaccines and the excess deaths we've seen in the UK and around the world where those vaccines have been administered. It's something that I campaigned for when I was in Parliament. I spoke about it in January 2024, and Claire had already been asking for a year for that data. It finally went to a court case, and the judge ruled that he wouldn't be releasing the data. The UK Health and Safety Executive Agency wouldn't be releasing that data because he feared for the mental health of the public were they to see it.
Well, that tells you something, doesn't it?
It does indeed.
It's the quiet part out loud.
It's to protect the individuals who know this data. I mean, I think we should have a criminal investigation of the UK Health Agency. They've seen the data for a very long time, for years, and they've sat on it. And they don't release it because they'll be in trouble. And clearly those civil servants and politicians above them are also aware of that data, and they'll be in trouble. So there's a lot of vested interest in not releasing the data. Claire Craig's been on a 3-year mission to get that data released, and we've been thwarted at the courts. But for the first time ever in the UK, we've actually had 3 mainstream newspapers have picked up the case now eventually. Years too late, but better late than never. So the Telegraph, the Express and the Daily Mail have all questioned what have the government got to hide. Well, I think we know what the government have got to hide, and it's the same thing that governments around the world have got to hide over the safety and efficacy of the vaccines.
The explosive 250-plus page report that shatters the official COVID narrative. Get your free digital copy from www.thepeoplesposition.com.